Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. I hope you're having a wonderful day wherever you are. My name is Kseniya and I make videos for people who, like myself, are going through the family immigration process. I'm not an immigration attorney. My videos are based on publicly available information, my own experience, and the experience of my subscribers. And the purpose of my channel is to give you guys the confidence to go through this process completely on your own. So in today's video, we have somewhat good news, I guess, and that is I personally have been seeing a lot more family-based cases approved without an interview. In about past 4 to 6 weeks, I have seen a few cases of my own subscribers being approved without an interview, and also seeing posts on Facebook immigration groups talking about being approved without an interview and what are some of the trends we're seeing in those particular cases. So first and foremost, a lot of the cases of parents of US citizens get approved without an interview, and that has been the case in the past years as well. But I have been also seeing marriage-based green card cases being approved without an interview, and even people who have applied for a conditional 2-year green card also being approved without an interview. Do I think that these people may potentially be invited for an interview for removal of conditions? Possibly. In the past, there have been very few cases where spouse green cards were approved without an interview. And in most cases in the past, those were the cases of people married for over 2 years who receive a 10-year regular green card. But lately, we've been seeing more cases, even for conditional green cards, being approved without an interview. Now, I asked around my subscribers who have shared that their interview was waived, and I'm noticing the following pattern. These people submitted an inordinate amount of marital evidence. So if you watch videos of other people on YouTube, especially some attorneys, or even if you go consult with certain attorneys, a lot of them do not recommend sending things like pictures of your relationship with your file and additional things like little receipts of purchases that you've made for each other, even movie tickets. They would say that is all silly evidence that is secondary and you do not need to submit it. Just bring it to your green card interview. However, I steer on the side of presenting every aspect of your marriage to USCIS, including photographs of your relationship throughout the years, including receipts for gifts and maybe large purchases you've made for one another, travel tickets, travel arrangements, call logs, screenshots of you FaceTiming each other, anything like that. That I am a huge proponent of including all of that evidence in the very beginning of your case. Obviously, aside from those types of evidence, there are also things like joint financial responsibilities, like bills, leases, properties that these people own together, filing taxes together. Another pattern that I see in these cases is that both the petitioner and the intending immigrant have never had issues with immigration or with the law in general. Now, do I think that that is something that will be around for a long time? Personally, no. Just like what happened with the employment authorization document in the beginning of this year, where more and more applicants have been receiving their employment authorizations within 2 months after applying for their green cards, and now the things have slowed down significantly again. So knowing that, I definitely do not think that this approval without interviews will stick around for a very long time. But I do think at this time, USCIS is desperate. I do think they want to wrap up the year with more green cards issued. So obviously, I cannot expect you guys to watch every single one of my videos, but hopefully now you have been inspired to submit a very strong case to immigration, that you will go and look through my channel carefully, that you will watch any videos related to your case so that you can present a strong case to USCIS and be hopeful that your case gets approved without an interview. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up so more people can see it. And I hope to see you guys in my next videos. Bye.